How to use incognito mode in Perplexity AI. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you use or enable incognito mode in Perplexity AI. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Perplexity AI on your device, make sure you are logged in with your account. After you open Perplexity, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top left, simply tap on your profile icon. From here, again at the top left, tap on settings icon. From settings section, you can easily get the option for incognito mode. Simply tap and turn on that. After you tap and turn on that, the incognito mode will be turned on and threads will be hidden from your library. So this activation will expire after 24 hours. You'll be able to as well as turn off it from here. After that, you'll be able to access or disable the incognito mode in Perplexity. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.